2 sausages, 2 bacon, hash browns, mushrooms. I have to finish this ride before... I know why you're still watching. You want to see if I get wet. Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Yeah, I'm in the driver's seat. I'm just about to drive to the start of today's ride, which is a 200km Audax DIY, second one in a row. Here in the Lincolnshire Wolds at the top of Belchford Hill, and this is the view this morning. I don't know if you can see too well. I'm just going to drive around the corner to start the ride in a lay-by off the Bluestone Heath Road. However, I've just parked around the corner here. It seemed a little bit more sheltered. So before we go, I'm going to talk quickly about the route. Let's pop it up on screen. So as you can see, it's a 204km ride, 2,371 metres of climbing, estimate time 9 hours and 46 minutes. You could be dropping into Horncastle at the bike shop there. It's called, well, 2 bike shops actually, but one with the cafe is just one more bike. So I'm going to drop in there, and then it's going back north, coming back here to the van to top up some water, have a nibble, that kind of thing. That's probably about 115k or something. And then coming south to do another loop towards Old Bolingbroke, stopping in Spilsby, or might be stopping in Pensdale Field. That's the second control point on this Audax DIY. And then I'm going to go around anti-clockwise towards Alford, and then some more wiggly windy bits straight back to the van. I just must mention before I head out, I broke my golden rule today, and that was to always bring a rain jacket, because it looked absolutely perfectly clear of weather this weekend. And then very last minute, it seems to be rain now. It looks like it's going to rain about 5 o'clock, so I need to make sure I get back reasonably pronto. Where's this suddenly come from? I can't believe it. I got my aftershocks on and a song's just come on. It's the second one in. And guess what it is? Well, I'll tell you. It's the Beatles, Here Comes the Sun. It's useful to know where the pit stops are. So I've done Red Hill, down Stenigott, next up Manor Hill. As I'm going up Manor Hill, just thought I'd tell you there's 14 climbs according to Climb Pro category climbs. Manor Hill is the second one, 2 of 14. Lots to do today, and the road's a bit wet coming down this, well, going up this one. Right, let's get to the top, get to the next one. Beautiful countryside this morning. Well, as ever here at the Lincolnshire Wolds. Heading along the Magna Mile, named after the world famous Magna Carta, is wrapped up safely in Lincoln Castle. This is the village of Ludford. So as I make my way along the Magna Mile, that's in Chapel Lane on the right. Past another road on the left there, it's Fanny Hands Lane. Right left here towards Six Hills. And it's bloody started raining. With just a bit of drizzle at the moment. Worst kind of rain that. I'll have you know. Yeah, I wasn't expecting rain in the forecast. That rain jacket stayed at home, I didn't even put it in the van. Damn it, got nothing waterproof with me. So I'm just cheering myself up with some summer music piping into my ears at the moment. How the heck can they get the weather forecast so wrong? Just got music cheering me up now. Right now it's Mr. Blue Sky. It's anything but. Just singing along, cheering myself up. This was not forecast whatsoever. Oh my god. Seasonal, let's call it that. Think of other words to call it. So I'm just heading away from Fullerby, Hellofinger, towards Horncastle now. In the first stop of the day. Just one more bike. After this, my next stop will be back at the van, 115k. An opportunity to change out wet clothes. And not an opportunity to put a rain jacket on though. Dickhead, as if I forgot. So I've ended up in the bike shop and I've gone for a bit of a latte to start with. And yeah, got full English on the way. Just about to tuck into that whenever it comes. It's still looking miserable out there. Just hoping it dries up a little bit this afternoon. So a quick check of the weather forecast and looking at the timeline along the bottom on the Met Office website. I have to finish this ride before, well, 7 o'clock-ish, because then it looks like it's going to absolutely piss it down. Now I must learn to bring the camera out in public when there's loads of people in the room. I mean, we all love to see a breakfast, so here we're going with a full English. 2 sausages, 2 bacon, hash browns, mushrooms, beans, all the good stuff, and a tomato. So I'm going to talk and enjoy this. So I'm on my way again. Just gone up Langton Hill, just get warmed up. I'm going to turn left on a bit of a rat run onto Boston Road, and then on quiet roads again. Right, we're at the top of Fullerby. I call this area the Lincolnshire Wolds, the heart, because it's pretty much dead centre. It's absolutely stunning as well on a nice beautiful day, some great views. Not so much today when it's a bit miserable and wet, but still it's great to be out here just enjoying pedalling and well, staying dry at the moment. I should drop a video in the corner of the screen to back to end of March, beginning of April 2021, when I climbed Tetford Hill many times during an Everesting challenge. Always a bit dirty this road. Smile as much as I can before the rain arrives. I've also turned my music off. I'm going to put it on a little bit later on in the ride towards the end when I maybe won't need it most. So this is where I am right now. This bit of anti-clockwise loop heading towards the Ruckland climb, which is pretty long and tedious, but it needs to be done. That will bring me right back up onto the crossroads not too far behind me. It's not getting any air in the back tyre. It's a slow puncher, my favourite. Typical, isn't it? I mean, the van's only like 2k up the road from here, so it's tempting to ditch. Oh. Check the tyre, appears to be okay. On my way again, heading towards Moulton in the moment. So yeah, I just want to tell you about the back tyre. So it's a WTB Expanse, which I got with the bike back in 2020. As a pair, of course. It's just the back one got the old WTB on, and it's just been sat in the box for a couple of years because I kept having a couple of punctures. I just put it down to the tyre, but maybe it's just bad luck as well, I don't know. It's one of those things, all it takes is one thorn. Sometimes it doesn't matter what the tyre is when it's tubed. So I just kept hold of them. So we're even going to put them back on a pair, just wear them out, and then take the front one off, which is a GP 5000, wait for the summer days to arrive, and get another one to match the front. But then again, might not. Right, back at the van, so what I'm going to do, I've decided, because I ain't got a waterproof, I'm going to put this fleecy top on. It's not waterproof, but if it starts pissing down, it's going to keep me a bit warmer for that last half an hour. So just need to think of how I'm going to attach it to the bike. So what I'm going to know, I didn't bring any roulette straps. Hopefully I can put my light on at the same time, that's the problem. Come back to that in a minute, think about it. Right, 1.5 bottle should be enough, I think. What I'm going to do is bring this up so the light's on top. Not a big fan of that, could just make it a little bit shaky, but I'll have the helmet light on for extra support anyway. That'll do. I'll feel the benefit of this later if it pisses it down. I was going to wrap it with just a spare arm warmer, but that'll do, that's a bit more secure. So I'm just checking out my numbers, 120 done nearly, 82 to go, 1183 metres of elevation. Time is 20 to 3, it did look like the rain was going to be arriving about 7 o'clock, so yeah, not that much time to get it done. Bear in mind my average speed right now is 21.3, but based off 20 in 82, that's 4 hours, that's pretty close to 7 o'clock. So I'm going to have to just keep moving and try not to stop. There's nothing to stop for, to be honest. I've got everything I need. I'm fen bound at the moment, heading towards the Lincolnshire Fens. From here I'm going to be swinging around back north soon to head into Spilsby. In the meantime, enjoying the ride, and I hope you are too. If you've liked this one, give it the thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, now might be the time. Oh, look at this. Stay at this. Oh man. I know why you're still watching. You want to see if I get wet. That's it, that's why you're still watching. Am I going to get absolutely drenched? Well, stick around. You'll find out soon enough. As will I. Realise you probably won't see much now. I haven't talked for a while. I've chose some really shit roads towards the end. Well, do you want the good news or the bad news? Well, there isn't any bad news actually. Well, unless you wanted to see me get wet, because it's already started raining. It's 6:15, 15k to go. Rain expected in an hour's time, but it's already started raining, so I shouldn't linger. Last a bit of civilization until tomorrow afternoon when I get back home after another night in the van. No, I'm not going to hide inside. It's time to get changed though. Made it as far as Brink Hill. It's probably less than 10k to go now, but I'm starting to get wet, so I'm gonna pop that on. Hopefully it will keep it dry until I get back to the van. Well man, there's some drama at the end of the ride. Got another flat, can you believe it, on the rear tyre. It was like 1.5 kilometres from the car. So I just literally walked it in the pouring rain. Yeah, absolutely pissing it down now. Look at that, flat as a pancake. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm sure the video quality is not fantastic here in the van. Well, I hope you found the quality of this video to your liking. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it that much, you want to see some more of it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a thing. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care, bye bye.